Welcome to Ollivanders, makers of fine wands since 382 BC. Those are good you, and I'm going to say, but please don't touch them, so I name it with you momentarily. Many thanks for your cooperation. Somewhat perfect. Well now, here, the wand chooses the wizard. The wand chooses the wizard. And the wizard, will you please step forward, sir? Welcome to Ollivanders. And the wand keeper, we've been expecting your time. You're the one who came to me. What is your name? What am I? What's your name? It's your first wand. Yeah. So you are Hachi with the first wand. Yeah. Can you come a bit closer? Now you're in my lines. Good. Now, what is your wand on? Are you right-handed or left-handed? Miki kiki hidari kiki. Right-handed. Miki kiki. That's wonderful. Let's find your wand. Now let us begin. You see, Ollivanders no tsera, subite. Tokubetsu ni erabaretta kitto. Gyori o kuna, ibare omoda, oshinmitsu nareteiru. Soshite, otsukai to tsue ga mottomo tsuyoku hikiau toki, saikou no kekka ga motarasareru. Every Ollivanders wand is made of a specially selected wood with a core of a powerful and magical substance. This is English oak, with a phoenix feathered core, a loyal wand with good instincts. Yoruba narade ekitatsu chiwa fushicho owane ga tsukawarete iru. Jojitsu de surui chokka omotsu. Good. Now, I need you to unlock this drawer. I want you to point your wand. Good. Now I need you to say carefully, Alohamora.
Alohamora.
Please say it, granddaughter. Well, that's apparently not the right fit. Good. Come. Well, don't be nervous. You're doing just fine. I need to find you another wand. Now, let's see. This one, perhaps. This is black walnuts with a dragon, a heartstring core. It is 13 3/4 inches, astonishingly perceptive wand. Kurukurumide, ekitatsu chiwa, doragon no shinzo no kinsen ga tsukawarete iru. Odoroku hodokan karo ga tsuru. Good. Now, let's see if you can brighten this place a bit by illuminating the tip of your wand. I want you to give it a wave. And I want you to say, Lumos.
Lumos.
Immediately! There comes! Now, that is definitely not the right fit. Now, but we're getting closer and you're doing just fine. The right wand is here, waiting for you somewhere. Pittari no tsei ga dokoka ni aru. That is quite curious. She's very curious. I wonder. I've been saving this wand. This is aspen with a unicorn hair core, 14 inches. It is resilient and difficult to bend. Yamanalashi, 液体製品にはユニコーンといった手紙が使われている。強く硬く曲がりにくい。この杖は高いにもそれらしい杖だ。そう、あなたのような強い意志もお使いに難しい。時には思い切った挑戦も受け入れてくれるでしょう。It is a brilliant wand for dueling, and I dare say someone strong-minded like you is going to do absolutely quite well with this wand, as it also accommodates for bits of recklessness every now and then. If I may, one last time. My assistant will answer any question you have. And now I'll say goodbye. It's a pleasure to have met you. And I thank you for selecting Ollivanders. Do it together.